Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 10-4, adding mixed numbers. We're going to be diving into having mixed numbers now. So how can you add mixed numbers? Rhoda mixes 1.5 cups of sand with 2 2/3 cups of potting mixture to prepare soil for her cactus plants. After mixing them together, how many cups of soil does Rhoda have? So if we're taking and adding these together, we want to take and look at our fractions. So we know 1 plus 2 is going to give us 3. So that part's done. Now we just have our 1/2 plus our 2/3. Well, in order to add these together, we have to get a common denominator. So the common denominator between these is 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. So we'd take both the numerator and the denominator times 3. So we'd have 3/6 here. Here we're going to multiply by 2, so we'd have 4/6. 3/6 plus 4/6 is going to give us 7/6, or 1 1/6. So now we add that to our whole number up here. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so we have 4 1/6. So 4 1/6 is our solution. All right, so we have 1 7/8 plus 1/4. So add our ones together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we have 7/8 plus 1/4. Find the common denominator. The common denominator between 8 and 4 is 8, so the first fraction stays the same. 7/8 plus, multiply both these by 2. We have 2/8. 7 plus 2 is 9. So we've got 9/8, which is 1 1/8, which we add back to our 2 up here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 1/8 for our answer. All right, for this one, we have 2 2/5 plus 5 5/6. So we're adding these together. So add is your key word for this lesson. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. We have 2/5 plus 5/6. Common denominator is going to be 30. So 5 times 6 and 2 times 6, that would be 12/30. Here we're multiplying by 5. So we'd have 25/30. So 12 plus 25 is going to give us 37/30, which would be the same thing as 1 7/30, which will add back to the 7. So we get 8 7/30 for an answer. So, like I said, this is all about adding. Now, what I've been showing you is one way to take an adding the whole numbers and then adding the fractions. We can also convert these into improper fractions, then add them. That'd be another way to do it as well. Sometimes it can get a little complicated because of how large the values get. It just kind of depends on your values. But I will show you what that looks like. So this would be 9 times 4 is 36, plus 1 is 37. So we'd have 37/9 plus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 4/3. Common denominator between 3 and 9 is 9. So our 37/9 remains the same. Plus, here we'd multiply by 3 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So we'd have 12/9. So 37 plus 12 is going to give us 49/9. And so then 49/9, 9 can go into 49 5 times, which would be 45. And then 4 left over, so 5 4/9. Now, we would end up with the exact same answer either way, whether we did it the original way. 4 plus 1 would be 5, and then we'd add 1/9 and 3 1/3 together, and we would end up getting that 4/9. So either way, it works for us. Okay? All right, let's look at another. So here we have 6 and 5/12 plus 5/8. So 6 plus 4 is going to give us 10. 5/12 plus 5/8. Now careful here. Common denominator between 8 and 12 is going to be 24. So we multiply by 2, 2 times 5 is going to give us 10, plus 8 times 3 and 5 times 3, so it'd be 15 over 24. So 10 plus 15 is going to give us 25 over 24, which would be 1 and 1/24 to add to our 10. So we'd have 11 and 1/24. So that'd be our answer. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day. Bye, guys.